Hello, how are you?
I'm good. And you?
I'm also good, thanks. What's your name?
My name is Tina.
What school do you attend?
I attend Achinsing Secondary School.
What grade are you in?
I in grade 9A1.
Okay, let's talk about teenage pressure. What kind of pressure do teenagers have?
Family and school.
Where do most pressure come from?
Family because they also want to be perfect high school and I don't have free time.
Okay, and what can teenagers do to feel less stressed?
You can say your worries to friend, family, or have free time for relax.
All right, and who can teenagers talk to when they feel worried?
They can talk to friend, family for say to problem.
Okay, how does social media make teenagers feel pressured?
Social media can create stress. They have high scores, so they perfect. Mm, it make me feel sad and I think I not good.
Okay, now let's talk about this. Talk about the difference between urban and rural living.
Urban urban have hospital. Uh, it have it has big city. Rural have farm and fields. Fi- Field. Urban you can earn a lot of money than rural. In urban living, you have to pay everything expensive. Rural you pay you pay you pay less than.
Okay, so where would you like to live and why?
I like urban because I can earn a lot of money for have I can have the life for good.
Okay, Tina, that's all for now. Goodbye.
Goodbye.